male. Not a big male, but a pretty male. Cool. And another one about 9 pounds. 8 or 9 pounds. Yeah, okay. That's a good one. Go with it. What, you're big? Yeah, I am. Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's a pretty good fish. Oh. Well, he's over 20. That's a decent fish. That's a decent fish. Yep, that's a decent fish. Yep, it is. That is a pretty one. That is a pretty one. Hey, watch it right. number 7. fat one. That's a nice fat one. I think I got it. There it is. Hey, that's a nice one. Not bad. Now show that one to us, Alvie. Show that one to me. Look out. You can do it. You can do it. Yep, trying to escape. That's a pretty nice one. Yeah, give him a pitch. Down the girl. Alright everybody, we moved downstream for, I don't know, about maybe not quite a mile. This is our 5th move of the day. We're up to what, 32, 33 fish?
Yeah, 33.
33 fish altogether. Alvie's got 20, I got 13. Caught a couple of small stripers. And I just missed that one. So anyway, we're having a pretty good day. Lots of airplanes overhead, as you can hear. People in and out of Dulles. Pretty busy town, Washington, D.C. Whether you're fishing or whether you're just out here. As you can see, there's a million boats out here. See all them boats? Not many boats. We've only seen one other boat we thought was a catfisherman. So anyway, we're having a good day. We haven't gotten any big fish, but we're going to hold out. We got about another hour to go, and we'll see what happens. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not quite a netter, but a very nice fish. Nice fish for today, I think. He's liable to come right off. Washington Parkway. We just came off the Potomac River and had a pretty successful blue catfish trip. Altogether we got 40 fish, 37 blue cats and 3 stripers. We didn't have anything big. Biggest was about 17, 18 pound. We had a lot of 10, 12, 13 pound class fish, a lot of 8 and 9 pound fish. But it was a good day. And my good friend Alvie says it was a good day. Right, Alvie?
Very good day.
Very good day. For one thing, it's about 84 degrees. All of a sudden, it got real warm. And we're kind of glad we're off the water. we started at a very high tide, and now it's dead low tide, so they're calling for thunderstorms here in a little while, so we're glad to be heading home. So hope y'all enjoy it. Talk to you later.